What is reproduction? Of course, you know, it is one of the most important characteristics of a living being. All living beings can reproduce, while non-living things cannot. But then, what is reproduction? See, reproduction is made up of two words, re and production. Re means again, production to make. So, to make again, or we can say production of more of one's own kind. Production of more of one's own kind. Both plants as well as animals reproduce. You see flowers all around you, so beautiful, brightly colored in large number of colors, blue, yellow, pink and what not. What are these flowers? These flowers are actually the reproductive parts, and part of the flower changes into fruit. In spring season, if you happen to look at mango trees, you will find they are all full of flowers, and by summers these flowers change into fruits. It is not the entire flower that changes into fruit, it is only the female part, that is the pistil, and out of that pistil also the ovary, which actually changes into fruit after fertilization. You remember, you studied about the parts of flower in class 6, so that is what I am referring to. But flower formation is not the only way of reproduction in plants. If you look at a plant, what are its main parts? Let us start with the bottommost, root and then stem, leaf, branches, buds and then the flowers, isn't it? Now, out of these, the flowers are the reproductive parts. Then what about the root, stem, leaf and buds? What are those parts and what are they called? These parts are called vegetative parts. These vegetative parts can also help in reproduction, leaf and buds. Now, the reproduction which takes place with the help of these vegetative parts is called vegetative propagation. Alright, now going back, this is entirely different from the reproduction that took place through flowers, isn't it? So, we can classify reproduction or categorize reproduction into two types. First is the sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, reproduction takes place with the formation of seeds. So, we can say reproduction takes place through seeds. And second is the asexual reproduction. This reproduction takes place through vegetative parts. There are many different methods or modes by which asexual reproduction takes place. So, we will first start with asexual reproduction.